Well, hello. All right, we got the winch. I took the platform off. We're gonna flip it over and weld it, but I want to pull it back on and show you how it works. The other thing too is we've already pulled it on and took it off about 3 or 4 times because we're so excited about it. Working out real good. There's the winch. Got it in low, and then the rails there. I mean, it's got welding spots and stuff. We'll weld everything together, but I'll get that repainted, sanded and repainted. And then I covered that with, these are just welding blankets to cover everything up. I get that taken care of. Pins, where pins were, they slid in and out real nice. Down, cable down, over the roller, to the front of the trailer, underneath and up on that hook. Like I said, I'll hook it to the outside with a other cable to pull heavier loads on. But yeah. Alright, Eddie, you want to start it up? All right. We're just in low, slow speed. Just doing it. Well, there you go. And now she's back on. Little drag marks. Probably should have beefed them corners back up a little bit. Put thicker metal on them. But they having that an angle in there really makes a difference on how it slides in there. Works pretty good, even though it's off a little bit. She'll straighten out. We gotta put the slider poly on there for it to slide on, but still, she works good. I'm excited about it. We were real happy when it came on and went back on the first time. That's it. Put the pins in, ready to go. So, all right. We got some more work to do on this before we start the dump box. That goes on a platform on that. But I'm going to put a video together about the measurements of the rails, platform rails that go on there, and the measurements of this front and everything that all needs to be able to pull this on. I won't put the measurements of the bed on because that can be adjusted either way. These can be adjusted too, but pretty much I just need the measurements of these things here, which are, I don't think, just call them the cable attachments or whatever, and then the rails that go over here underneath. I'll get those measurements, and that's more for me to have so I can go through the videos and, well, these are all my measurements. That's what the measurements I gotta have for this or that, you know. But yeah, all right, so please subscribe and give me a like and give me a comment or something, or just say hi. I appreciate it. Try to get the channel up and running more. So God bless, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.